Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the PMXU68BT, featuring 4 mic inputs that can also be used as high Z inputs for your guitar or line inputs across all 6 channels. It also features Bluetooth and built-in effects. We're going to be covering all of this and more in this video. And here we go. This is the Pyle PMXU68BT, featuring 4 mic inputs as we were talking earlier, and here are the buttons that make it happen. These are your high Z buttons, so you can turn your 1/4-inch line inputs into high Z for your guitars. So I can plug instruments like keyboards or electric drums into here, and I can also now plug guitars into this particular model as well. This makes this machine very versatile for a nice garage band setup if you need any type of live setup where your PA speaker just doesn't cut it for enough inputs, and that happens quite often. To have this combination really makes this fun to use. Now, on this side here, we do have a built-in Bluetooth Mp3 player options built in. If you get a USB-A to USB-A male cable, you can play music from your computer into this unit. It is not a two-way full audio interface. It only receives the audio signal from your computer. It will not send it back to your computer so you can actually record on your computer. So if you're looking for something to record on your computer, this isn't going to be the model. Look for models like the 63 that would be better suited for you. On top, another nice feature is they've gone with XLR cables instead of 1/4-inch. So it makes it easier for you to go in your basket of cables and pull out just some XLRs to hook this up to your PA speakers. If you need to use this with an amplifier, again, you would go from here to the amp, then to the speakers. Headphone jack located right on top, making it easy to operate. You can run the headphones separately from your main volume, so if you don't plan on doing it for live but you're just practicing with it, you can certainly just use a nice pair of headphones with it. The third knob here is our actual Mp3 and Bluetooth functionality. So that is separate from the actual original first 6 channels. It sits on its own with its own volume level gain control on it. Again, combo jacks for the first 4. Channel 5 and 6 are located just off to the side, and these can be either balanced or unbalanced cables. If you're only going to need one channel, they do give you the availability to plug the left in only and giving you a mono channel. It will then feed out as a balanced signal on the left and right output. They also give you a button at the bottom, which is a +4 to -10 dB gain control, allowing you to balance this off better with the rest of your equipment. They also give you independent control right down here for this channel. It gives you a panning option and it gives you a gain control option. For the first 4 channels, you're also going to get a high-low option on it, and you're going to get controls on your effects. Plus, you're going to still have your balance to the left and right. At the very bottom, the red knobs here represent our level output, so we can adjust all our levels according to the mix at the end on the main output. The last button up here is a phantom power 48-volt option that's built in. I can turn that on and off whenever I want, and that'll allow me to run a condenser microphone or a ribbon microphone or anything else that may require phantom power to operate right off of here. Outside of that, it's been a very nice, easy mixer to use. Lots of people who bought it for the right reasons have really enjoyed using it, specifically because they have an impedance control, high Z capability for guitars. Simple enough to use. Bluetooth straight up pairs up. Again, if you get the cable, you can play music straight off your computer. So a lot of added value for the price point in this machine. I appreciate the fact that it still comes with a really nice warranty package to it. And it's very small, very compact, very lightweight, metal with some little trim packaging on the side just to dress it up a little bit. Outside of that, that's pretty much all there is to talk about when it comes to this mixer. So that'll wrap up this video here. So again, this is the PMXU68BT. They do have a smaller version called the 48BT. And if you're looking for one with an audio interface, that would be called the 63BT. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.